Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a certificate on the Canva application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the print section and go to the stationery button. Scroll down and go to the certificate option next to the invitation. Here you have more chance. If you want to add pictures to your project, just go to the uploads button, and here you can upload images and other files to the Canva, or go to the gallery section, and here you can find images and videos from your device. In the elements section you can search different graphic elements, for example stickers, charts, frames and more. If you go to the design section you can find the different styles and templates which were created by a professional graphic designer, and just select one and step on it. You can edit this template. If you want to change the background color, just click to the white square icon next to the design section and select another color and done. If you want to move an item on your project, just click that and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to change the text, just click text box, delete the text and write your own text. If you want to change the style of the text, just click to the arrow next to the TTT stars B font type button, and here you can choose another text style or font type. Just select one and click that. If you want to change the size of your text, just click to the minus or the plus icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.